sound was never meant to be heard by humans. In 1997, scientists detected a sound so powerful it was heard across the entire Pacific Ocean. It was louder than whales, louder than submarines, and no one knew where it came from. They named it the bloop. Some believed it was just ice cracking. Others weren't convinced because the sound pattern matched something alive, something massive. Years later, scientists said it was ice. But the truth is, no creature that size has ever been found. So what do you think? Was it just nature or something we're not supposed to know?